Good morning. How did you sleep?
Not worth a crud.
Honey, why is all our stuff sitting out on the picnic table?
Take a look in the tent.
Oh my goodness. We could go swimming in here. Yeah, it actually isn't quite as bad as it felt like last night. Well, I mean, it's bad because everything is soaked. All our sleeping bags and the beds, everything is just soaked. We slept in there. Thank the heavens we brought the Hummer, so we had a place to go, because otherwise we'd have been in trouble because we couldn't sleep in the Jeep.
Yep.
So yeah, that's going on this morning. We're gonna get this water out of here. Funny thing is, we have tent camped in this exact tent in severe rainstorms, thunderstorms, and had no issues. But for some reason, the tape, the waterproof tape that they use for the seams and stuff, it just started coming loose. And for whatever reason, this thing might as well not have been on, because it was just seeping through the top of the rainfly. I mean, it was just coming right in. I don't know. So I don't know if it's normally like sprayed with a waterproof spray and maybe it's worn off. We've had the tent how long? Did we get it the first of last year?
Yeah, I think so. But how many times have we used it? 10 times?
Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Very disappointed. I loved my tent. I don't know what to do. We're in the middle of nowhere, Colorado. Haven't even seen a Dollar General, so which is weird. That's kind of bad. But if we can find, I think, something, may tarp over the top, and because there's still more rain coming.
Yep. There's a chance like every day this week.
Yeah. And we don't want to just go home. But we also kind of don't really want to just sleep in there for 10 days. I don't know. We'll have to keep you updated on the situation.
Bristol Head Bakery.
We stopped at the visitor center, and the nice lady there told us where some things are here in town that we need to stop at because of our tent incident.
Yes.
I guess I should say we are in Creede, but she also said you got to hit this bakery. So I'm hitting the bakery. Well, we only spent about $30 in the bakery. You're not going to be able to see anything, but we got some, raspberry cream cheese Danish, and some turnovers, and some
Snickerdoodle.
pasties, and snickerdoodle cookies, and I showed some restraint, and I passed on the chocolate ganache cake. We are going to try to stop at the hardware store and hopefully find us a big tarp that will work to cover our tent from the rain. Let's see, it's on that side of the road. And I'm just going to show you the little downtown Creede here, because isn't it cute? Oh, look at that church. That's cute. So I guess when we come back through later, maybe I can grab some pictures or something. I don't know. Oh, there's another little church. A cute little town. Oh, there's a sweets shop. Just left the bakery. I'm terrible. Oh, they got something going on over there. Look at that. Elks are doing something. Wow, look at the view up there.
True value.
That is beautiful. Yes, that would be where we need to be. Oh, wow, this is so cute. Is there a space right there? Oh, no, it's marked, isn't it? Oh, well, there was one there. doesn't say no parking, does it?
Once they don't block that sidewalk and pedestrian crossing, it should be okay.
Well, here we are at the trailhead. Already having an issue. Can't figure out the offline map for the Trails Off-Road app. I've downloaded the maps. It won't show us on the map. It's supposed to. I don't get it. So right now I have it hot spotted. I swear that looks like a microwave up there. Is that a microwave? Doesn't it look like a microwave? I love this though. I'm gonna take a picture. This is the trailhead. We're gonna do the Bachelor Loop. Okay, gonna stop here for a picture op. See that up there? That's beautiful. I had to come over here and look at this water. I could hear it. That is so pretty. I think this Bachelor Loop's gonna take us a while. It's not really supposed to take very long, but I'm gonna be stopping every few seconds for pictures. Didn't make it up very far. Had to stop again. Had to get a closer up view here. The old mine. Sure is pretty scenery. Well, we made another stop already. Had to get some pictures. And we're gonna roll up this way because I do believe the amethyst mine is up here. So that is the old amethyst mine. I'm assuming maybe we're going to be driving all the way up to there. Maybe? I don't know. This is technically, I mean, it's the Bachelor Loop, but the first trail is actually called West Willow Creek, I think it is, trail. Take it, catch it right outside of Creede. Here's another waypoint. We're actually skipping a couple here and there if they don't interest me, I guess. This was Midwest Mine. That's the location of it. I don't know. High ore. That's what it says. So it is an ore mine. High grade ore was encountered here. Well, we are at the Last Chance mine. The interesting thing about this mine is back in the late 90s, a gentleman, the current owner, came up and checked out this mine, and then the lady who owned it at the time was looking to sell. It was out of his price range in the 90s, but because he wanted to restore this place and open it to the public, she sold it to him for the price of the tax assessment, which was like $2,900. It's like 10 plus acres, and he got the rights to, was it 3 mining levels?
And all the mineral rights.
Mineral rights, yeah. Look at that camp spot way up over there.
I see that.
Nice.
Yes, that should have been a $5 piece. Oh, $1. Pricing it, $10. Oh, and they do take cards. Yeah.
A lot of old stuff in here.
Well, don't point at me when you're talking about old stuff.
And there's a whole bunch of rocks you can look through and buy, and some are from this mine
Eric,
specifically, and
yeah,
some are
where was
from
that? How much is that? How much?
other mines across the world, I guess. Oh my goodness. That's some steep steps. Oh shoot, that's scary. That board is like giving way. Look at that. That is a pretty view. We just came from down there. Wow, that really is a lot of oil lamps. Some nice stuff. Let's see what this view is out this big old window. Well, not bad. This spot used to be the town of Bachelor from 1892 to like 1912, and there was actually 1,000 people of that town, and like nothing really is left of it. Might be a little foundation here and there. This is just a big open field now. Some of the houses were actually disassembled and taken back to Creede. Travel trailers, the Class C's and the Class A's, and maybe even I don't know what that is up on the top over there. So this is all BLM camping. This is all free camping.
Up on top of that hill. Oh yeah, there's a road up there.
Clear up on that hill?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Because it winds around and goes back there behind those campers and then up.
So we originally were going to stay here, but we decided, because our first stop originally was to be another spot on a BLM, and we thought it was going to be way too hot at the time that we were kind of planning the trip, and that's why we did the Airbnb as a middle stopover. So it kind of threw some things out of whack and changed some things for us. But this is where we probably would have been camping for at least one night. There is some good views here. There's really not like any kind of privacy or anything. You can probably see all those now. There's quite a few up there.
We'll see, they got a road that goes up behind. See it up there behind those two.
Yeah.
Big there. But that's
Yeah, there was somebody camping up over there. I saw it when we were at the top of the hill. Heading back to camp. It's stopped at this scenic overlook. We're right in that section of really, really rough road. It's horrible. Get up here just a little bit. Yep. That is a pretty nice scenic overlook. Do you hear the thunder? Yes, it is raining again. I swear, we just can't escape rain no matter where we go. Just had a hare to come up this road. Jesse had time to turn. And as we're coming up, the sign said something falls, half mile. Cedar Creek Falls. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's pretty loud, actually. All the rain that they've been getting. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You know I love my waterfalls, people. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Wow. I had no idea. I am so glad we turned up this road. Get another view of it over here. I don't think it's going to be quite as good a view. Yeah, it's about to rain on our heads. Well, not too bad. Oh yeah, that's pretty too. Wow. It's gorgeous. Picture perfect. Well, there's not really like a really big posted sign or anything, but we're at the Continental Divide, which is also Spring Creek Pass. The elevation is 10,898. Well, this is Windy Point Scenic Overlook. It says, I can see for miles. Well, I don't know about that. Maybe a little today. Hey, look, you can see the road down there. Stupid rain came in and messed up the view. But you can still see a little bit, so that's kind of cool. Okay, we got us a 16 by 20 tarp at the hardware store in Creede. Luckily, we already had a ton of different stakes. We had some guy wires from another tent that we just happened to bring with us, namely for this tarp that was supposed to be our canopy. It is so ghetto that I am sure we are giving our state a good name out here. But you know what? I don't care, because hopefully this keeps all the rain off of us and we can actually get a good night's sleep tonight, because we did not sleep well last night and we need some sleep. Now I am going to start some dinner.
Thank goodness.
Hungry?
Yes. What's for dinner?
Burgers.
Yummy.